Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to unpair Wi-Fi network in Technophone. Friends, we want to unpair Wi-Fi network in your Technophone. So friends, how can you unpair it? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon. So guys, now let's start the video. Friends, first of all open your phone setting to unpair guys Wi-Fi network. So once you can see this type of setting, as you can see your Wi-Fi settings and step here. So you can see guys, Mukesh 5G guys we have paired in our Tecno phone, and guys we want to unpair. So guys press on Wi-Fi and guys click on the forget option to unpair. Then guys the Wi-Fi network will unpair to your phone, means guys you cannot use. You want to use guys, so you will have to enter password again. Then guys you can pair this Wi-Fi network and guys you can use it. So like that guys you can unpair your Wi-Fi network in your Technophone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet our next video. Bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys. Bye.